Welcome to a gentle movement session. Let's begin by just shifting our weight from side to side. And let's use the water as our guide today. Just a natural rhythm, a natural flow. Be like water. The water just rolls off the rocks back. Can our troubles, concerns, the actions of others just roll off our back? As you shift from side to side, begin to twist ever so gently. Notice how you feel in the core, in the lower back. And whatever is, just let it be. And notice when you twist a little deeper, how that nourishes your body. Okay. Arms out. We're going to keep shifting from side to side, but now twist your hands and your arms as you move from side to side, like you were wringing out a towel. Getting all the water out of your arms and your hands. And again, just notice. Narrow your stance just a little bit and begin to float your hands up, back down, a very gentle knee bend. Imagine yourself moving like water. Tapping into the natural rhythm of our body. Know where to get to today. Okay. Narrow the stance even more. Bring your feet touching together. Bend down ever so slightly. Notice the airplanes going by. Distraction. So wonderful. We notice ourselves get distracted and we bring our attention right back to this gentle knee bend, to the sweeping of our arm back, up and down. Feel your hands gently kissing, slightest of touches. Sink down just a little deeper. You're paying attention to your arms swinging back and forward. You don't even notice what amazing strength you're building in the legs. Now, open up. Both hands come together. Rise up. Breathe in deeply. Exhale, come on down. Head up high. And just flow here. Open up so big. Come on down. One more here. Come on down. Hold it here for a moment. Bring your hands together. Sink as deeply as you can. Head up. Just be. You got it. Rise up. Get real big. Look to the sky. Shake it all out. Just move around your space. Real loosey-goosey. Connect to your breath. Now, full body. Come on down. Reach those hands way up high overhead. Breathe in deeply. Exhale, shoot the arms down. Hinge at the hips, bend down as deep as you can. Rise up. And now find the movement that works for you here. Think of yourself as a giant body wave. We are in the flight path today. I love it. Early morning, supposed to be quiet, connecting to nature. And the universe has offered us up all these beautiful distractions to allow us to connect to the here and now. It's not supposed to be easy. We're supposed to be challenged. Embrace the challenge of the noisy airplane, the rude customer at work, whatever it might be. It's all there for our growth, our evolution. Humans come to Earth for souls to evolve. Some other great teacher, who I can't remember, said that. Michael Singer, I think, maybe. But I'm sure he heard some version of it from somebody else, just this recycling of incredible wisdom. It's been around for thousands of years. One more. See if you can't sink a little deeper. While we're down here, why don't we just stay down for a moment? Just let your arms hang, your head hang down. Nice gentle knee bend. Feel that in the lower back. Breathe in, rise up. Let's just gently circle our arms forward and go for a little stroll. Just circle your arms, head up. Connect to your breath. Let's walk backwards and circle the arms backwards. Be careful you don't walk into the sea. Walking forwards, circling the arms forward and back. Now let's give ourselves a nice hug. Gentle, left arm over top, right arm over top. A little walking movement as we have our gentle reminder to get out for the morning, the afternoon, the evening walk. It is our superpower. Okay, one more. A nice flowing twist. Again, moving like water today. We rise up and we twist. We sink down and then to the other side. Bring your heel up off the ground. Sink as deep as you can. Rise up on a big inhale, twist deeply. Exhale. Find your flow. Find the movement that truly does nourish you here. Let's go one more to each side. The most present movement and breath you've taken all day. Exhale, come on down. Inhale, rise up, twist. It's good to move. Oh, let's spend a few moments together to finish off our session. Maybe you just want to watch the water moving in. Just a little quiet contemplation. Maybe set an intention for your day. Be like water. We're searching for equanimity, just the ability to be calm and composed in all situations. Very challenging, but what an ideal to aspire. Maybe we just shift from side to side and just notice, just be. Give your body a shake. Don't forget to smile. Well done. Have a truly remarkable day. I will see you soon. Goodbye.